Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to learn about the Telugu script and the writing systems. So let's get into our video. The Telugu script is from the Brahmic family, which is used to write the Telugu language. The Telugu script shares extensive similarities with the Kannada script, as it has evolved from the same Brahmi family. So let's see the parent systems. So from the Brahmi family originated the Kadamba script and the Pictorial script. And from the Kadamba script, Kannada script has evolved, and from the Pictorial script evolved the Telugu script in the 5th century CE. So both share somewhat similarities. In 2008, the Telugu language is given the status of classical languages of India. This status owes to its rich history and heritage. There are three forms of writing, wherein you can combine these three forms to the basic vowels or consonants to shape out into meaningful words. So let's see each in detail. The first one is Pollulu, which is diacritics. Telugu words always end with a vowel as a general rule. So when a word ends with a consonant's base sound, we write the last letter with this symbol on top of it to denote its base sound. This Pollu, it mutes the vowel of a consonant so that only the consonant sound is produced. This diacritic form is called Pollu of that particular letter. One such example is, if you combine this Pollu with the consonant, we'll see what happens. K plus Pollu, uk. You heard that sound, right? Uk. So let's see some examples for you to understand clearly. K plus uk, K, Ashok or Karthik. I hope you're getting the sound that I'm pronouncing. Ashok, Karthik. Which are the names? Ashok and Karthik. L, La plus Pollu. L, Gol. G-O-A-L. Goal. You guys all know of it. Ch plus Pollu. Ch. Match. Which is a match. V plus Pollu. V. Wow. N plus Pollu. N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. D plus Pollu. Id. Code. V plus Pollu. Uv. Intensive. Which is intensive. R plus Pollu. Ir. Intensive care. Which is an intensive care. Now let's get into Guninthalu, the other form. Guninthalu are the ligatures or syllables, that is, they are a combination of vowels and consonants. So here also, this diacritic form is added to consonants, that is represented by a dotted circle to form a consonant-vowel ligatures. So we have the 16 vowels, right? So these 16 vowels have 16 symbolic representations. And these symbolic representations, upon combination with the 36 consonants, gives you Guninthalu. The first vowel A does not have a diacritic form because this vowel is already inherent in all of the consonants. The other diacritic vowels, that are total 15 in number, are added to consonants to change their pronunciation to the corresponding vowel. So let's see about the vowels and their symbolic representation. So we have 16 vowels, right? So now we are going to see 4 at a time. So the first vowel, A, and its symbolic representation is denoted by a tick mark, and it is called Talakattu. The next vowel, A, which is Dirghamu. E, Gudi. E, Gudi Dirghamu. Here I need you guys to practice the writing so that you can correlate with the words for better understanding. So I repeat, A with the tick mark, it's called Talakattu. A, Dirghamu. E, Gudi. E, Gudi Dirghamu. U, కొమ్ము. ఊ కొమ్ము దీర్ఘము. రు సుడి. రు సుడి దీర్ఘము. ఏ ఏత్వము. ఏ ఏత్వము. ఐ ఐత్వము. ఓ ఓత్వము. ఓ ఓత్వము. ఔ ఔత్వము. అం పూర్ణానుసారము. అహ విసర్గము. So these are the 16 vowels with the 16 symbolic representations. So let's see what happens when the 16 symbolic representations combine with the consonants. So the first consonant we are dealing with is ka, and that combination is called ka gunintam. Here the base sound ik combines with the vowel a to form k. The first set, ik plus a, k, ka, k, k plus a, it is ka, kaa, ka, e, ki, 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 e, kee, ki. Now let's see the examples. Ka, kamalam, ka, ka, kamalam, kamalam, which means a lotus. Ka, kaki, kaa, ka, ki, ki, kaki, which is a crow. Ki, kitiki, kitike, kitiki, which is a window. Ki, kitakamu, kee, ki, takamu, kitakamu, which is an insect. The next set, uk plus u, ku, 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 uk plus u, ku, kuu, ku, uk plus ru, kru, 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 uk plus ru, kru, kroo, kru. And their corresponding examples, ku, kunda, ku, nda, kunda, which is a pot. Ku, kuja, kuu, ku, jaa, ja, kuja, which is a jug. Kru, kru, prakruti, prakruthi, prakruti, which is nature. Kru, krura mrugam, kroo, kru, ramrugam, krura mrugam, which is a beast. Ik plus a, k, k, ik plus a, k, kae, k, ik plus I, kai, 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 ik plus o, ko, ko, k, keratam, ratam, keratam, which is a wave. K, kesalu, kae, saalu, salu, kesalu, which is hair. Kai, kai, kailasam, 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 the place where Lord Shiva resides. Ko, konga, ko, nga, konga, which is a heron. Ik plus o, ko, ko, ik plus au, cow, cow, ik plus kam, kam, ik plus aha, kaha, kaha, ko, kodi, ko, di, kodi, which is a hen. Cow, kauravulu, cow, ravulu, ravulu, kauravulu. These are the mythological persons in Mahabharata. Kam, kankanam, kam, kanam, which is a bangle. Kaha, and no words after there. Now let's see the last form of writing, that is Otthulu. So here, Otthulu are only meant for consonants. In Guninthalu, we have seen the combination of vowels and consonants. But in here, Otthulu, these are only combination of consonants. That is one consonant in combination with another consonant. So when one consonant is accompanied by another consonant, the second consonant either takes the place as a subscript position or it takes the bottom or the footer position of the first consonant. And the second consonant, while placing, it often loses the talakattu, that is the V-shaped tick mark, and is often small in size compared to the first consonant. So let's see with some examples. K, akka, 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 which means a sister. The letters that I've highlighted in the black indicate that first and the second consonant belong to the same consonant family. So here, the first and the second consonant belong to the same ka family. That is why the corresponding word takes two same letters, that is K and K, akka, side by side. Kh, Jharkhand, 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 which is a place. G, Mogga, Mogga, Mogga. See, the first and the second consonant are of the same G family. So, two G's side by side. Mogga is a bud. Gh, Dirgham, Deergham, Dirgham. Ch, Archana, 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 which is praising or worshipping God. Chah, Guchamu, 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 which is a bunch. J, Karjuram, Kharjuram, Karjuram, which is a date. Jah, Durchati, Durjhati, Durchati, he's a poet. Nya, Nyapakam, Jynapakam, Nyapakam, which is to remember. T, Kashtam, 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 which is difficult. Tha, Sreshtam or Sreshtamu, Sresthamu, Sresthamu, which is excellent. D, Vaddi, 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 which is interest. Here the first and the second consonant belong to the same D family. So two D's side by side. Vaddi. Dah, Shaddakudu, 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 which means Todaludu. Na, Suvarna, 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 which is gold or golden. The, Vastuvu, 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 which is a thing. Tha, Nyayasthanam, 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 which is the court. The, Abaddham, Abaddam, Abaddam. Here, first and the second consonant belong to the same the family. So, two D's, Abaddam, which is a lie. One should remember not to lie to anyone. The, Buddhi, 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 which is the, Buddhi, 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 which is your mindset. Na, Prayatnam, 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 which is a try. P, Arpanam, 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 which is to offer or offering. Fa, Nishphalam, Nishphalam, Nishphalamu, which is to be unsuccessful. B, Dabbu, Dabbu, Dabbu. Here, first and the second consonant belong to the same B family. Dabbu, which is money. Bh, Arbhakudu, 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 Ma, amma. Here the first and consonant again for the same ma family. A-M-M-A, amma, which is mother. Ya, kalyanam. Kalyanam, kalyanam, which is marriage. R, netram. Netram, netram, which is an eye. La, ahladam. Ahladam, ahladam, joy. V, ahvanam. Ahwanam, ahvanam, that is invitation. S, margadarsi. Margadarsi, margadarsi, who is a guide. Sha, varsham. Varsham, varsham, rain. S, indradhanassu. Indra, Indra. Dhanassu, 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 Indradhanassu, which is a rainbow. Ha, Arhata, 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 eligibility. La, Pallem, Pallam, Pallem, which is a plate. Ksha, Ksha, this consonant is an exception. It's a combination of ka and sha to form ksha, siksha, 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 which is punishment. R, bandira. This letter is replaced with the word ra. So that's all for today, guys.
So thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel, learn and imbibe. And also, please revise and go through the video. You all know, right? Practice makes you perfect.